Yeah, so I've just come out to see if there are any signs of spring in the wood. It looks like it's going to rain any minute. It's about 1 o'clock and it's very, very grey, looking a bit bleak. Yeah, there's definitely stuff coming up. Not sure what it is though. Might be bluebells, looks like it. Looks like a big bluebell patch here. Yeah, no crocuses though, and no snowdrops around here. And there's a red kite in that tree and it's scaring all the other birds. You can hear it. There he goes. He's over there now. He's just dropped that wood pigeon. Just there. I'm shaking its head. I wonder if it's going to come back for it. But there's my little day tarp there. I thought I'd bring it just in case it rained. I didn't want to bring the big tarp. That's that little homemade one that I did. So that's in the bushes there. And I'll see what's about. So it is indeed raining, so I'm glad I got the tarp up when I did. And it's turned very cold all of a sudden. It was a hot walk up here, but now it's got very grey, very glum and very rainy. That was weird seeing that red kite catch that wood pigeon and then sort of fly around with it and then drop it on the road. I wanted to stay down there and see if I could sort of catch it, come back for it, but I'll have a look when we go back and see. But wow, very interesting. Yep, so I think it's time to get warmed up and get a cup of tea. Okay, so trying this out today. Oh, I don't know if you can see that. Don't usually do sort of white coffee type things, but I'm going to give it a go. And I forgot my spoon, so I'm going to have to use a twig. And of course, because I'm out, oops, and I'm not dry. Sorry, this is going to be a bit wobbly. Oh, nearly dropped it. A bit of that. Just to warm me up. And I'll sit down in this rain till it either eases off or gets heavier. But the little day tarp's working perfectly. It's keeping me and my stuff dry, so that's cool. Feels like it's getting heavier. Oh well. Okay, so while it's raining so hard, I can't really do much when it's raining this hard. I'll show you the sheath that I made thanks to Sandy's Wiltshire Man Jack Law Knives' tutorials. So that's my little elephant sheath, and I put a dangler on it with poppers so that I get a bit tired of sort of taking my belt off and putting it back on again. So just 4 quite strong poppers on that so it can just go on my belt really easily, and I hope it's strong enough. I'm just going to try it out and see. And this leather's quite badly scarred, it was just a bit that I had, so but yeah, it worked. The stitching's a bit dodgy here, I need to practice that a little bit, but yeah, so thanks again to Sandy. And then I made another one for my little neck knife that I had. It's sort of a little bit more successful. So that's the little sheath for that. This was trying to do this one-handed is a bit difficult. Let me try and get this out. It's stiff. Well, it's good it's stiff, but hey. Yeah, this was a little knife I got on Amazon, in fact, for £10, and it was supposed to be a damask. I don't even see that. Probably won't be able to focus on that. It's supposed to be a damask blade, but it's not, because you tell it hasn't got the joined up bit here. I think it's just a bit of etching. But it's a nice little knife actually. I use it quite a lot. It holds an edge really well. I think it's an 01 steel, so, but yeah, nice little knife. So that was the little sheath for that. So that was good fun, sort of bit of leather working in the winter. Just something nice to do. Ooh, this rain is getting heavier. Yeah, my the little mini tarp is doing the job. So it's quite small, but it's keeping me dry. And it is raining quite heavily. What's lucky is there's not a great deal of wind, so that's okay. I hate wind, I can't bear it. Yeah, just see if I can show you this. Yeah, the little mini tarp is doing the trick.